Hey feds, in one of our workshops, someone asked when we were talking about survivor benefits, someone asked if I retire and don't do this, but 2 years later, I decide, yeah, I want to do this. Can I get in? The answer is no. Not really. There's a workaround. Maybe if you get married, you can get in. Yes. If you get married, then you can jump into survivor benefits. But if you're married and you retire and you say no, you can't get back in 2 years later. Now, there are some other ways to get in, maybe a little bit earlier. But once you get in, you can never get out. Like the Hotel California, it just is what it is. And that's a great lesson to learn. When you fill out your retirement paperwork, sometimes when you fill it out, what you put down is what it is. Period. Done. You don't have a choice. But sometimes you can make changes to those. Every benefit is a little bit different. It isn't all the same. They don't have all the same rules. So you need to know what are the exceptions and what are not, and how to make that work, and make sure you're choosing the right things out of the gate. You don't want to get in the gate and realize, oh, I need to go back and get this other thing, because you may not be able to get it. Come learn these details at our workshops.